Mike Plania. And fighting out of the red corner, wearing the silver with black. He also weighed in at 125.6 pounds. His record, 22 wins, just 1 loss, with 10 wins by way of knockout. From Albuquerque, New Mexico, by way of Las Vegas, Nevada. Currently ranked number 9 in the world by the WBA.
Again, open up the flanks. Bounce right on the money. Perfectly placed.
Adam, the ref says, oh no, I got a knockout taken away from me almost the exact same way against Rocky Martinez earlier in my career. When the referee called it low and he got like 5 minutes to recover.
Yan guys, kakatapos lang ang laban ni Mike Plania, kababayan natin. At Romero Duno. Parehong talo guys. Parehong Pinoy, parehong knockout, kakalungkot. Ganoon talaga, see you next time. Iisa na lang talaga ang hindi buwabagsak na isang boksingero. Ang ating champ, Tata Cuadro Alas. Nag-isang angas ng Pinas. Yan, miss na namin lumaban ulit. Ganoon talaga, bawi na lang next time.